Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss process of salary increment in TCS for BCA, BSc, BVOC graduates. However, increment process is nearly same for all the employees of TCS, but the difference is annual compensation, which is provided to only BCA, BSc and BVOC candidates, not the BTech candidates. Now we shall try to understand properly annual compensation and increment for all these graduates in this video. For freshers, BCA graduates, in simple word, I can say that smart hiring candidates, because it will cover all BCA, BVOC and BSc candidates and others which are also included in this category. For 3 rating, there is generally increment of 50,000 for 3 rating, and for 4 rating there is increment of about 70,000, and for 5 rating there is increment of about 90,000. But this scenario was very different in 2020 due to COVID-19. For 5 rating there was increment of about 64,000, and for 4 rating there was increment of about 53,000, and for 3 rating there was increment of nearly 50,000. Now increment effective date. Increment effective date will be the date which will be mentioned by TCS. It will not depend on the date on which your rating has been released, and it will also not depend on the date on which your compensation letter will be released. Process to be followed. Appraisal month is the month of joining for all candidates, and the appraisal process starts with the goal sheet filling, and you will be able to fill the goal sheet 1 month earlier than the month of your joining. After that, your goal sheet will be submitted to your manager. After reviewing your goal sheet, your manager will release IPF score, that is individual performance factor, and if you are satisfied with your IPF score, you can submit that, and you have to agree with your IPF score. And if you are not satisfied with your IPF score, then you can raise objection also. In that case, there will be a discussion between you and your manager. After that, your rating will be released, and after that your compensation letter will be released. And there is not any fixed duration after which rating will be released or after which compensation letter will be released. May take a long time also. After the completion of all these processes, your incremented salary will credit into your account. Now for experienced BCA graduates, process to be followed. Appraisal month is March every year, and you will have to fill this goal sheet in the month of February, and you don't have to panic about that. Your manager will definitely communicate to you that you have to fill your goal sheet till this date, and after that it will be submitted to your manager. And after reviewing your goal sheet, your manager will release your IPF score, and if you are satisfied with that, you can submit, and you have to agree with that. And if you are not satisfied, you have to raise objection as in earlier case. And after that your band will release, and after that compensation letter, and finally your incremented salary will credit in your account. Now for experienced candidates, for C band there will be increment of about 4 to 6%. For B band there will be increment of about 6 to 8%, and for A band there will be increment of about 8 to 12%. And generally it vary from 8 to 10%, not 8 to 12%. Now increment effective date. It will be the date mentioned by TCS, and generally effective date is 1st of April every year. And now annual compensation. For C band there will be annual compensation of about 70,000, and for B band there will be annual compensation of about 90,000, and for A band there will be annual compensation of about 1 lakh. Why annual compensation is given to all these graduates? So the reason is very simple. All candidates who have done BTech or any other courses having duration of more than 4 years generally have package 3.36 or more in TCS, but all graduates who have done BCA, BSc, BVOC, or we can say that are hired in TCS via smart hiring, have a package just 1.93 lakh per annum. So this is very low as compared to BTech candidates. So to compensate that and make them to get nearly same salary, this annual compensation is given to them. And this annual compensation will be given to you when you will complete 2 years in TCS, and this will be given to you in the month of your joining, and there will not be separate band or rating for annual compensation. This will be according to the bands that you have received in March cycle. And now here I can say that you have completed 2 years in TCS, and after that same process will be followed. Appraisal month will be same March, and after that goal sheet filling, same month will be there February for filling goal sheet, and after that IPF will be released, objection to IPF, band release, compensation letter, salary will be credited, and after that there will be one more annual compensation when you will complete 3 years in TCS. But this time the amount will not be that much that you had got after the completion of 2 years in TCS. This time amount will be low. I don't know the exact figures, but you can assume 30 to 40,000. And here I am clearly mentioning that this compensation is given to only BSc, BVOC, or I can say smart hiring candidates. Friends, this was all in this video. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.